Pluto. Whoa!
Are you okay, Minnie?
Oh, I'm fine. I forgot about the gravity here. Everything's lighter on Mars, even me. So, what kind of help do you need, boys?
Oh, gosh. We're not the ones who need your help. A special friend of ours does. It's Martian Minnie!
Thank you so much for coming, Minnie. Oh, it's so good to meet you. I feel like I know you already. Oh, I feel the same way. You see, there's something I've always wanted to do. And I've heard that you're an expert. I want to have a tea party. Oh, I love tea parties. I'd be delighted to help. Wonderful. Where do we start? Well, the food should be divine.